Hi, I'm Robert with SwagDaddy, and today we're going to take a look at the Troops BBQ outdoor cooktop table. Now, I've never seen one of these before in all my years, not that I have very many, but this is perfect for the patio and the times with the family that you want to spend. So when your table arrives, there's going to be a little bit of assembly that you're going to have to do. You're going to have to take your burner and install it inside of your table. Inside of this compartment, you have your igniter and your gas regulator, and then actually right here you have your electric igniter. And then in this compartment is where you place your AA battery to operate your igniter. So included with the burner is this standard 20-pound propane gas regulator. And so now we'll go ahead and fish this through and we'll install the burner. And it should sit perfect. Now the other components will sit inside. You have your lower ring, which you'll put that on first. And then you have this upper outer ring, which will go on next. And then you have this piece, which will sit inside. Then you have these two other rings, which will go right inside of the black ring. These two brass pieces that I mentioned earlier are your gas diffusers. So this is where you can access your propane tank. I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up. This will just screw right onto it. So Troops BBQ use tongue and groove joints, and this is beneficial because during the seasons as they change, this allows for the wood to expand and contract. So this side is glued and this side is not glued. So if we take a look underneath, we can see that these crossboards are what keep the tongue and groove joints together. So this table is available in two different versions as far as the base. You have the wide slat, which you see here, versus the narrow slat, so it's about half of this. They both are shipped on pallets. The wide slat, there is some assembly required, versus the narrow slat, there's no assembly. As far as for the base, there's no assembly required. So here I've got the table propped up using this piece of wood, and it has the base of the table has these adjusters, which makes it easy to level on a patio. It'll rotate this way to shorten it, or this way to make it longer. So the table is available in 4 different finishes. You've got your unfinished, furthest to the right. You have your natural here. You have mahogany flame here, and you have Jahar brown here. They're all Cabot brand stains. Your natural is colorless, it's just an oil based, and your mahogany flame and your Jahar brown are with a different color. So the table measures about approximately 60 inches, and it's important to note that approximate just because these are handcrafted and the wood does expand and contract. And then its height is about 31 inches. Being that I'm tall, a lot of times my feet tend to hit the bases of tables. Troops BBQ did a good job of recessing the base far enough in so that it accommodates the taller people. So what are some of the things you can do with the cooktop table? You can do shabu shabu. You can do Mongolian hot pot. You can do a grilling stone. Sliders, burgers, hot dogs, that kind of stuff. You can do a wok with the steaming basket. There you can kind of take a look. And last but not least, you can do Korean barbecue. To make the cooktop even more versatile, you can add this Lazy Susan when your burner's not in use. It also uses the same heart redwood that the cooktop table uses, and it's got this nice ball bearing track, and you'll just set that over the burner. So also included with your outdoor table is this care package, and inside of it you'll find a Redwood furniture care guide and the burner instructions and assembly. Troops BBQ also offers these nice Redwood stools. They use the same craftsmanship as the outdoor table. You can accommodate up to 8 adults at this table. For people that appreciate quality heart redwood furniture, you'll find very competitive prices at SwagDaddy.com.